be another tough freshman for Cornell coming out. This will be Dylan Palacio. Out of Long Beach, New York. Taking on Clark Glass. Redshirt freshman out of the Powerhouse program in Brandon, Florida. Four-time Florida State champion. As Cornell leads this one 13-10. Here in about 6 of 10. And again, 4 of the first 5 bouts we've seen have ended in bonus points. Palacio, an avid soccer player as well. At least he was in high school. Little shuck for 2 for Palacio. He'll take a 2-0 lead. Looking for a quick tilt. Referee holding 2, and Palacio going to extend his lead now to 4-0. Little quick cheap tilt. Not exactly a pinning hold, but will definitely get you some near fall points in a hurry. Get a fresh start. Coming up on the halfway point here in period number 1. Palacio currently ranked 10th in the nation. Be a pretty tough 1-2 combo there in the middleweights for the next 4 years for Coach Rob Cole's Big Red. Riding time now up over a minute for Palacio. The claw ride to the right side. Glass is going to peel away. Glass still trying to free himself, under 30 seconds to go here in the first period. Tries to head hunt. Palacio hanging on. Still not going to let Glass go. So Palacio now with 2 minutes of riding time and building here in the first period. And that'll end the first period. 4-0 lead after that early takedown and 2-point near fall by Palacio. He's going to have choice. He's going to start down here in the second period. 13-10 lead for Cornell. Get a false start. We'll reset and try it again. Glass up, hanging on the leg. Palacio looks like he might be in trouble, at least there momentarily. Spins back to his base. Does a forward roll through. Glass doing everything he can to maintain control. Tight waist to the left side. Glass tries to chop Palacio. Works back up to his base. Look for a little shoulder roll. Glass maintaining control still. Riding time now up under a minute, so Glass done a good job of controlling Palacio here in the second. And whittling that riding time down under a minute. Palacio up to his feet. Glass still maintaining control. Half roll attempt by Palacio. Glass going to try to trap the arm. Gets a 1 count. But you got to have 2 to get near fall points. So under 10 seconds to go here in the second period, and Clark Glass done an admirable job here in the second period. Keeping Palacio off the scoreboard and keeping him onto the mat. So we will go to the third period. Palacio holding a 4-0 advantage. And Glass going to take neutral. Knowing he got ridden for 2 minutes in the first period, doesn't necessarily want to go underneath, and Glass in on the single leg attempt. Palacio snakes his arm to grab the ankle. Now we got a head to toe scramble. Palacio trying to clear his right foot. Still in the scramble, no control. And we'll get a potentially dangerous situation as the knees went a little dodgy. Palacio says, nope, I don't want injury time. Two-on-one tie to the left side. Actually, right side, depends on your camera angle. Glass in a good shot, trying to come up through. Another scramble situation. Palacio got to watch himself here. Glass trying to reach back. Palacio still with a near leg. Nothing doing here. Still long scramble here. Now it's a little Peterson roll. Palacio going to get 2 and a count. A little Granby style there. So 2 and 2 for Palacio. Going to make this what went from a tight match is now entering major decision territory. Doesn't enter it. We are in major decision territory. Palacio catches Glass on his back for 2 more. So the scramble gives him 4 points and then 2 more as Glass tried to scramble out. Going to be a 10-0 major decision for the Cornell freshman, Dylan Palacio. It'll be 17-10 Cornell as we head to 174.